Tired of telling Gemini to keep it brief or be professional every single time you start a new chat? Today, I'm showing you how to use custom instructions. It's like giving Gemini a permanent job description so it always knows exactly how to talk to you. Let's dive in. First, let's find the controls. On your desktop, head to the bottom left and click the Settings and Help, then select Personal Context. If you're on your phone, just tap your profile icon in the top right, hit Personal Context, and you'll find the same custom instructions option there. This is the brain of your AI persona. Then you'll see your instructions for Gemini. Make sure to toggle it on and click Add. Now you'll see a text box. This is where you tell Gemini who you are and how it should behave. For this example, let's pretend we're a senior data analyst at Spotify. I'll paste my instructions here. I want a professional tone, data-driven answers, and a focus on user retention. Then click Submit. Let's test it. I'll start a brand new chat and ask, explain why a user might cancel their premium subscription. Notice the difference? Instead of a generic list, Gemini is giving me a high-level professional breakdown. It's essentially music business mode on 24/7. But what if you just want to go back to regular Gemini for a quick personal question? Easy. Go back into Settings and Help, select Personal Context, and simply toggle the switch to off. Gemini goes back to its default personality. Your instructions stay saved in the box, so you don't have to delete them. You can just flip the switch whenever you need that professional edge back. That's how you customize Gemini to fit your workflow perfectly. Set it once and let the AI do the heavy lifting for your specific tone and style. If this helped you work faster, hit like and subscribe for more Gemini pro tips. I'll see you in the next one.